Clarence?
So one thing I'll do after today is to research more so that I'm able to understand regarding HPV and how important sharing experience is. One thing I'll do after today is I'll call my doctor. One thing I'll do after today is first talk to my doctor. Then it's really important to know about our health.
One thing I'll do after today is magpa-consult sa doktor dahil hindi lang pala mga kababaihan yung mga nagkakaroon ng HPV, mga kalalakihan din. Kaya this is a good sign para talaga magpag-check na para maiwasan yung HPV.
I'm from Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Ah, you're from Canada. Nice meeting you, my friend Clarence.